Creating a budget is an empowering and important step in taking control of your finances. To begin, you should first gather all of your financial information, such as your income sources, expenses, and savings goals. You can organize this information in a spreadsheet or budgeting app to make it easier to track and manage. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income sources. This may include your salary or wages, any additional sources of income such as investments, and any benefits or allowances you receive. It's important to have an accurate understanding of your income so that you can plan your expenses accordingly. Next, you will need to determine your expenses. This includes all of your regular bills, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. It's important to also include any irregular expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or gifts. You may find it helpful to review your bank statements and credit card bills from the past few months to get a clearer picture of your spending habits. Once you have determined your income and expenses, it's time to set your savings goals. This could include saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or contributing to a retirement account. It's important to make these goals realistic and achievable so that you can stay motivated and track your progress over time. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings goals, it's time to create a budget. Start by allocating your income towards your expenses and savings goals. This may require some adjustments, such as cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding ways to increase your income. It's important to be flexible and willing to make changes as necessary to ensure that your budget is sustainable and effective. Finally, it's important to track your budget over time. This will allow you to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. There are many budgeting apps and tools available that can help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, creating a budget is an essential step in managing your personal finances. By taking the time to gather your financial information, determine your income, expenses, and savings goals, and create a budget, you can take control of your finances and plan for a more secure financial future.